You used to call me on my cell phone. And what's up, guys? As you guys can see, we're here with another video on the channel. And guys, I know I haven't posted for you guys for 2 or 3 days, but I had to take a little rest. And look, when we come all the way over here, boop, road collection, go, where is it? Expert, all the way, wait, is it this one? Or is it season 5? No, it's not this one. I think season 3. Yeah. Look. From here, we just go ooh, to the Rimac Nevera Cup. And this is a car I owned. I don't know how I have this car, but we have this car, right? So why not we just drive it? So let's go. It's Hocking Ring. I don't know what the name of the track is. Holy moly. Oh my god, the interior of this Rimac. The car. I don't know. I forgot the name. Bro, look at the interior of this car already. Damn, bro. Oh my god. The speed in this thing is crazy. Holy moly, the speed in this thing is crazy. Oh my god, yo. Yo, the speed on this thing is crazy, yo. Holy moly, guys. Fourth, third, second, first. And I spun out. Brother, this car is so quick, yo. Break. Second. I had to use that Rimac right there. Oh my god, my game is lagging, yo. I had to use this dude over here in front of me as a brake, but look at his bumper already, damn. First lap, first place. This car's spinning out, yo, damn. But look at this car, yo. This car is really built to like for race and stuff. Damn. Holy moly, guys. This car is quick as heck. Damn, bruh. And then you guys see like 200 over there in the dash cam, the dashboard, and then up there you guys see 180. It's because the one in the dash thing right there is kmh, kilometers per hour. Oh my god, bro. This car keeps on spinning out. And the one up there is miles per hour, as you guys can see. Hit the brakes a little bit earlier. Yo, this car can't handle its own self. I'm hitting the brakes and it can't take over the power it's using already. I don't know, guys, but I think this car is a hybrid. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think this car is a hybrid. Yo, I'm really going off track, but like, yo, let's look at the side of this car. Yeah, I broke a window on one side. Holy moly, guys. Damn. This car is quick as heck. Brake. And I couldn't brake. Yo, this car is too quick for its own stuff. Holy moly. Oh no. I know this is gonna be expensive. Okay. Ooh, yeah. I saw all the scratches too. Come on. Yeah, what, boy? Yo, this car is cool and all, but like, the damage. The damage. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna check to see what is the, like, what is the cost? Oh, wait. On one of these Rimacs. I think it's Rimac Nevera or something like that. Cool. No way. Let me see the name of the car again. Rimac Nevera. Yeah, I'm gonna see the price of one of these Rimac Neveras, but let me check something before we start. Where is it? So it'll be an expert. Alright guys, 1 minute. I'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, I literally found something out. Oh my god. And now that I have my phone next to me, just let me go to export and go back to the race we were. Was this it? This is not it. This is not it. Season 3. Guys, let me check the price of a Rimac Nevera, right? Oh my god. So we were crashing a car on a track that is to 2.1 million to 2.5 million. And do you think this is euros or something? It's USD. I don't know if it's euros is like, no. Euros, like the Spain money and stuff like that. I don't know if that's more than USD. Wait, let me check. Alright, so I searched it up and I still don't understand a single thing that it's saying right now. So let's say that $2.1 million, we were just hitting the walls and drifting around the tracks. And, oh my god. Look at these cars. Oh my god. Just over here in race, there's like, oh my god, wait. Let me see. I'm gonna just do this real quick. Hey Siri. 2.1 million times 22.
2,100,000 times 22 is 46,200,000.
Oh my god. Guys, just in this race, there's like 46 million. And this race, count it with me. Yo, do you know what 46 million is? That's almost the price of the most expensive car in the world. And yes, if you guys don't know, it's a classic Ferrari. I had to go on the grass. I know that was kind of dirty. Oh my god, this dude just hit me in the side. This rubber really looks nice. Yo! Nah, did you guys see that? Yo, this dude hit me again. Look at him losing control now. And I spun out. Come on. Accelerate. Yeah, what, red dude? Think I wasn't gonna come back to you? Come on, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, Rimac. I know I'm going in the grass, guys, but it's way better for me to go in the grass than be hitting the cars like I'm doing right now. Go. Oh my god. Yo, did you guys see that red dude doing connection? Yo, who's on fault right there, bruh? Nah, yo, you guys are the FIA now. Who was on fault? Did I close them or did he just hit me? Let's not talk about that part. But like, did he hit me or did I close him? Cause at that point I didn't even know. Look at this, bro. The car can't handle its own power. It just can't. Alright, that was on me. That was on me. He did kind of close me too. He did kind of close me too. Come on. Second. First. And guys, today I finally played on the Greenville RP, bro. And it wasn't like you join a random server and there's some people doing RP. I actually joined a server, like I installed Discord and stuff. I had to go on Discord when I got pulled over. Bro, look guys. I just hope that dude doesn't see my channel, but bro. Look, he said at one point, this dude crashed into me, right? And then he said no FRP and stuff. And then I just said, bro, this dude just crashed into me. And then he didn't really say nothing to both of us, but he kicked the other dude out because he did kind of see that the dude, I don't know if he kind of saw it because he was also talking about the dude always doing some mess on the sessions and stuff. And then he banned that dude. But when I was driving the car, right, and then he said everybody go back to Greenville because we were like in the new city that they put on the revamp. Bro, I went through one red light. I was literally speeding on the 50. I was going 90 on a 50. When I got pulled over, he checked my car's my car. The car I was using was like a Tiguan. Bro, he checked the file on my car. He saw all of that, bro. He said, alright, so if you do that again, that's a ban. Oh my god. I got so scared. Like, I might continue doing that. But look at that car. Oh my god. This car is done for, bro. I might do that by accident, like, go 90 and a 50. But, like, I hope I don't get pulled over. And another fact. You guys know my friend, right? The one that been on this channel for sometimes. He was joking around. He turned on the siren. And then he turned it off. The other dude that I was talking to, you guys, the owner of the server, he came after me. He came after me. It was not even my friend. He came after me. That is, yo, I was saying to my friend, yo, if I got banned, bro, I was gonna, yo. Alright, guys, before I end this video, let me show you guys what I unlocked. And this is gonna be tomorrow's video. But hey, only for the people who saw it to the end, alright? Look up. Look at this. BMW M3 GT2 918 RSR Concept R8 LMS Ultra Viper SRT 10 ACRX. But look, only for the dudes who watched until the end, alright? Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out!